Hello students. So today I am going to start a new chapter. Okay. Basically this is a poem and the name of the poem, or you can say the title of the poem, is The Tree. Fine. And this is on page number 79 of your Living English book. Okay, so let's get started with the poem. And this beautiful poem is written by Keki and Daruwala. Okay, and he is the poet who is known for, you can say, he loves the nature. Fine. And basically he wanted to show that, whatever we are having in the nature, it has its own significance. Okay, and they play an important role in making the, you can say, making or creating a balance between human as well as nature. Fine. So let's see what the poem is all about. And as I told you, the title of the poem is The Tree. So let's see what the poem is all about. Firstly, I'm going to recite the poem, then I will explain you line by line. Fine. So let's get started with the things. Next to the track beside our house, next to the track beside our house, Dad planted a gulmohar. Dad planted a gulmohar. We tended it. We watered it. It wanted more and more. When first its little shoots of green spread across the bough, and some of us said, "Whoa, wow." Its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. It really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs care. Next year, the green fuzz changed to leaf. It turned into a red roofed tree, a thing of beauty rare. It never spoke to us. Of course, it just spoke to the winds. And now and then waved to the skies. But it gave us everything: its falling flowers and its shade. They covered half the track. It sheltered us from sun and rain. The tree had paid us back. So see how beautifully the poet tried to convey the meaning, okay, that what is the importance of a tree. If we are planting, or you can say if we are planting a tree, okay, or if we have already done it, then definitely the tree is going to pay back you something. Pay back in the sense of whether it may be in the sense of fruits, or shade, shelter. That means in different ways the tree is going to pay its gratitude towards you. That if you are planting a tree, if you are going to plant a tree, definitely that is going to pay back you a lot in different sense. Okay, so let's get started with line by line explanation. Next to the track beside our house. So the child is saying that, okay, or you can say the poet is saying that just next to the track beside our house, that means just next to the house, okay, just you can say in front of, or you can say side by the house, Dad planted a gulmohar. So what the poet's father did, he planted a gulmohar. So gulmohar is a tree, okay, with beautiful flower. As you can see that you are having a beautiful picture of a tree, okay, and this tree is known as gulmohar tree. So we are having this. Fine. So next to the track beside our house, Dad planted a gulmohar. Gulmohar basically is a tree. We tended means look after. So Basically, if you are planting something, whether a small plant or big one, you have to take care of it. You have to look after it. So tended means look after it. We watered it. Of course, if we wanted that the tree should grow, the small plant should grow into a big one, so you have to look after it, you have to care for it, you have to water it. Okay, that means you have to take care just like a child. Okay, fine. So what the poet did, he started looking after it. Okay, then what he did, he watered it. Okay, now it wanted more and more. More and more means, you can say, definitely we have to take care a lot, because if it is a baby plant, and to convert that baby plant into the bigger one, we have to look after it. That means we have to take care it, we have to protect from the, you can say, goats and other animals. We have to give water, then proper food means, in the case, sometimes you can say that fertilizers and all. Okay, everything you have to look after it, we have to remove weeds from that. That means proper take care, we have to do it. Okay, now when the first its little shoots of green, so what happened now, shoots, that means the that part, this part. Okay, so when the first its little shoots of green, so find what happened. Now the tree started growing, you can say, started growing, okay, into the bigger one, spread across the boughs. So what happened, boughs means, you can say, firm branch. That means the one plant, okay, started spreading out here and there. Fine. Into, you can say, boughs means, you can say, a firm branch of a tree. That means it started spreading. That means the single plant started, you can say, spreading out by giving different branches. Okay, spreading out the branches. And some of us said, wow. Now after seeing that the tree is started, you can see, the small plant is started converted into the bigger one. So after seeing this, some of them started saying that, wow, the tree started growing, its branches were so low. Now what happened, because the tree is not too big right now, so what happened, the branch was very, you can say, nearer to the ground. So what happened, we drove means, you can say, to control or to operate. Okay, like the goats away and cows. So what happened, just because the tree is too low. Okay, see the tree is too low. See, the branches are coming here. So what will happen, goats, cows definitely are going to eat the leaves of this. Okay, leaves, or you can say flowers, or the fruits which this tree is going to bear. Okay, so what will happen, the cattle are going to eat that. So that is why they started droving. That means they started controlling, they started looking after that no other cattle will eat that, you can say, the plants or the flower of the tree. Fine. So it really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs care. So obviously, because the tree is quite small, it is not too big, so you have to look after a lot, just like a baby, just like a small baby. What our mother does whenever we are when we were small, no? Our mother used to look after every time. That means she cares a lot when we were small baby. So like that, we have to take care this baby plant a lot. We have to protect from the cattles also. Now a baby tree needs care. Diya. Next year the green first changed to leaf. Now what happened, first means fiber. So now next year what will happen, the tree will grow, you can say, to quite bigger one, and it will start changing into, that means developing leaves, more tender leaves, then more brighter and darker leaves will going to develop, that means come out. It turned into a red roof tree. Now see, beautiful colored. So roof tree means just like a roof, okay, in which we live basically. So the tree started turning out just like a roof. Okay, so it turned into a red roofed tree, a thing of beauty rare. So the scenic beauty seems to be very beautiful because the tree started turning out to be in red color, and that is creating a beautiful scene. Okay, just like it seems like that the tree got converted into a roof one. Okay, it never spoke to us, of course. Obviously the tree cannot speak, even tree plants, they cannot they are not going to speak with us. Okay, so it never spoke to us, it just spoke to the wind. Now the poet is saying that the tree is going to speak with whom? With the you can say the wind. Because what happened, whenever wind comes now, basically what happens, the tree started moving like this. Okay, so here the poet is trying to say that the tree is not going to spoke with us. Okay, the tree is going to spoke with the winds. Fine. And now and then wave to the sky. Now earlier it was speaking to whom? It was speaking to the winds. But right now what the tree is doing? The tree is doing now, the tree is talking to the sky. That means the tree started becoming bigger and bigger, and now it is about to, seems like that it is about to touch the sky, and it seems like that the tree is going to be the tree is going to touch the sky, and it is going to talk with the sky. But it gave us everything. Now whenever we are going to plant any tree, definitely you are going to get something from that. Obviously you can say the reward what will get in response, you can say it will get the branch, the wood. Okay, wood from the tree, then fruits. Okay, then medicine. Sometimes if we planted medicinal plant, then definitely what will get? We'll get the medicines from the plant. Fine. So but it gave us everything. It's falling flower and its shade. Now what happened? What we are getting? Flowers. Okay, now shade. Definitely when we are planting some tree, we'll get the shade of that tree. Fine. That means the people, the cow, kettles, goats, everyone is going to take rest under the tree, that shade of the tree. They covered half of the track. That means it spreads, the tree started spreading up to this level, that it started covering the too much area. It sheltered us from sun and rain. Now the tree is acting as a home. Okay, home, not only home to the, you can say, animals, birds, but also right now it started acting like a shelter for the common people, and it started protecting us from the rain. Okay, and sun also. Okay, the tree had paid us back. That means paid us back means the tree gave us shade and protection in return for what we did for it. So basically in return what we are getting, the tree is going to give you a lot in the return. Like firstly, the tree is giving shade, it is protecting us from sun and rain. After that what we are getting flowers. Okay, after that what we are getting fruits, then we are getting wood from the tree. Okay, that means everything, we watered it, we look after it, we cared it, but in response of that the tree is giving a lot to us. It is giving, you can say, various things in response of that. So from this poem what you are getting, what moral you are getting? The thing is that we should plant more and more tree as much as we can, because if we are going to cut down the trees, a time will come, on the there will be no tree, and even we cannot survive in that case. So the most important thing is that we should plant maximum tree as much as possible, and we should look after it. If we are cutting down one tree, in place of that one tree we should plant 50 trees. Okay, or more than that, definitely, because in summer season what happened, only these trees are going to help us by giving shade, and sometimes, and most of the time, it protects us from rain also, and it protects us from flood also. because this what happens, it protects us from soil erosion. It protects, that means tree protects, you can say, the soil also through basically what happened when flood comes now, what happened, the soil drained out, okay, that we can stop by planting more and more trees. If we are going to plant more trees, the tree is going to hold the soil tightly, and the flow of mud will stop, okay. That mostly occurs with the, you can say, during flood time. So this can be stopped, but the thing is that what we have to do, we have to plant more and more tree, okay. And only planting tree is not enough, we have to look after it, because looking after the most important thing. You have to care that tree just like a child, fine. So I hope the poem is clear to you all. One more time I am going to read it. You'll try to recite it the way I am doing. Fine. Next to the track beside our house, Dad planted a gulmohar. We tended it. We watered it. It wanted more and more. When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs, and some of us said, "Wow!" Its branches were so low. We drove the goats away and cows. It really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs cares. Next year, the green fuzz changed to leaf. It turned into a red roofed tree, a thing of beauty rare. It never spoke to us, of course. It just spoke to the winds, and now and then waved to the skies. But it gives us everything, its falling flowers and its shade. They covered half of the track. It sheltered us from the sun and rain. The tree had paid us back. Fine. So like this you can recite the poem, and rest of the things we will do. I will send you the PDF of this, the question answers and all. One thing you can do it, you can draw the picture of tree you like. So here you can draw, okay, a picture. See, here you can draw a picture of any tree that you like the most, okay, that you like the most, you can draw it. Fine. So with this the chapter ends now, and please go through the chapter, write down the difficult words in your notebook. Rest of things we will cover in the next video lecture. So till time, thank you so much.